welcome to maths class. Continuation of second chapter, addition of two-digit numbers. In the previous class, I started chapter revision. That means, what are the concepts you learned in this chapter? Two-digit numbers. 10 to 99 numbers are called two-digit numbers. 10 is the first two-digit number. 99 is the last two-digit number. And the rules of addition, that means addition facts. If we add 0 to a number, the total is number itself. Itself means same number. The total does not change. 0 plus number or number plus 0, we get the same number. Look at the example. 18 plus 0. 0 plus 45. Here we add number to 0. Here 0 to number. We get the same number. Number itself means answer is same number. Okay, understood? 0 plus number or number plus 0. We get the same number. If we add 0 to a number, the total is number itself. Second addition fact goes to, if we add 1 to a number, the total is next number of the given number. 17 plus 1, 18. Next number 17 after. 1 plus 56. The next number of the given number. 57. 38 plus 1. 38 plus 1. The next number of 38, 39. Okay. Next one, when we add 2 or more numbers in any order, the total does not change. 5 plus 4 equal to dash. 4 plus 5 equal to dash. Or 8 plus 0 equal to dash. 0 plus 8 equal to dash. See, 5 plus 4, 9. Very good. 4 plus 5, 9. Here, first number change its order. Comes in here, comes in the second place. Second number comes in the first place. That means 5 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 5. 5 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 5. Why? We get the same total. That's why 5 plus 4 or 4 plus 5 both are same. Next, 8 plus 0, 8. 0 plus 8, 8. Very good. Here also 8 plus 0 same as 0 plus 8. This addition fact both are same. Okay? And in this chapter you have to learn addition of single digit numbers 3 lines, addition of 2 digit number with 1 digit number, addition of 2 digit numbers without regrouping, and addition of 2 digit numbers 3 lines, addition of 2 digit numbers 2 lines, addition of 2 digit numbers 3 lines with regrouping, and board problems. Yes or no? You learned all. Now in the chapter revision we completed some Romans. Now first of all I give all the examples for each addition. You note down in your homework book or rough book and practice at home. Are you understood addition facts? 0 plus number, same number. Number plus 0, same number or number itself. 1 plus number, next number. Number plus 1 also, next number. Come on, note down. Add the following, or add, or find the total, or find the sum. Ready? Come on. First one. 5 plus 2 plus 3. Put one symbol only. 5 plus 2 plus 3. Note down neatly, Nana. Second one. 7 plus 5 plus 6. Here adding ones. These are ones, single digit numbers. When we are going to add single digit 3 lines, first add these two numbers, then go to third number. Here also first add these two numbers, then go to third number. Okay, now third one. 45 plus 24. Next one. Here two digit numbers, ones place, tens place. First adding ones, write in the ones place. Next adding tens, write in the tens place. Another one. 62 plus 13 plus 24. Two digit numbers, ones place, tens place. 3 lines. 62 plus 13 plus 24. First adding these two numbers, then go to third number. Adding 10 once, write in the ones place. Next adding tens and write in the tens place. Add these two numbers, then go to this number. Same as like this. Okay? Are you note down? Can I write next one? Okay, Nana. Copy down neatly. Come on. 5 plus 2 plus 3. 7 plus 5 plus 6. 45 plus 24. 62 plus 13 plus 24. Next one. Fifth one. 38 plus 46. Ones place, tens place. After adding ones, if you get two digit number, that is going to with regrouping. With regrouping means carry forward one number to tens place. Carrying addition. Carrying addition. Next one. Note down neatly, my dear children. 27 plus 35 plus 16. Two digit numbers, 3 lines. Two digit numbers, 3 lines. Next one. 48 plus 30 plus 19. And another one in this chapter, verifying addition. Verifying addition means, yes, addition. We find the total. Verifying addition means we check our answer ourselves. Okay, na? Our total is correct or wrong. Our process of addition is correct or wrong. In verifying addition, we are going to write the same numbers in reverse order. Okay, can I give you one more that for practice? Okay, 8th one goes to verifying. 8th one goes to verifying. 33 plus 21 plus 14. Find the total and verify your addition. Right here, verify. V-E-R-I-F-I. Verify. Only 8th one you are doing for verifying addition. Okay? Are you understood all? 38 plus 46. 27 plus 35 plus 16. 48 plus 30 plus 19. 8th one, 33 plus 21 plus 14. Put the places above the numbers now. 8th one, first you find the total and going to verify. Verify means we write the given numbers in reverse order. That means first number, second number, third number. Verifying, in verifying, third number comes in the first place, second number right in the second place, third number right in the third place. That means it goes up, it stays in the same position, it comes down. Okay, understood? Are you note down all? Very good. And learn tables. Okay, now we are going to textbook part. Open your textbook, Nana. Yesterday's continuation, chapter revision. What is that? Chapter revision, page number 37. Chapter revision, page number 37. Open your textbook, page number 37. Come on. See, we have completed Roman A, Roman B, Roman C. Now going to Roman D. Fill in the blanks. Going to Roman D. Fill in the blanks. Okay, Nana? Come on. First one, Roman D. First one, 33 plus 37 equal to how much? 33 plus 37 equal to how much? Both are two-digit numbers. Do rough one this side. 33 plus 37. Adding ones, 3 plus 7, 10. 0. 1 carry over. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. What is the total? 70. What is the total? 70. Go to second one. 4 tens plus 7 tens. Find the total. Fill in the blanks. Plus means find the total. Do addition. 4 tens 40 plus 7 tens 70. Then how much? Simple. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7. Yes. 4 plus 7. 11 and put 0 right side of the 11. Now we got 110. 4 tens 40, 7 tens 70, adding 4 and 7. 4 plus 7, 11 and put 0 right side of the number. What is the total? 110. Now go to third one. The sum of 23 and 37 is the sum means total. How do you get total? By addition of given numbers. 23 plus 37. Do rough one this side. Come on. 3 plus 7, 10. 1 carried. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. The sum is 60. That means 23 plus 37. 23 plus 37. Next, fourth one. Dash is, listen, dash is added to a number to get the next number. Dash is added to a number to get the next number. We get the next number. By which number we are going to add it to a number? Yes. What is the answer? Fourth one. 1. 1 is added to a number to get the next number. 1 is added to a number to get the next number. Understood? Fourth blank. 1 is added to a number to get the next number. I will complete the Roman. 33 plus 37. This is rough one. 70. 7 tens. 4 tens plus 7 tens. 4 tens means 40. 7 tens means 70. Add 4 and 7. 11. And put 0 right side of 11. The answer is 110. The sum means total. We get the total by addition. 23 plus 37, 60. Fourth one, 1 is added to a number to get the next number. Go to Roman E. Write true or false. Correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? Write T for true. Yes, F for false. T for true. Correct. F for false. Wrong. Read the given statements and put T or F. Okay, come on, see. First one. Ready now? Come on. See in the textbook? The number name for the sum of 20 and 36 is 56. The number name for the sum of total of. What are the numbers? 30 and 36. 0 plus 6 is 2 plus 3 5. Sum means addition. 56. The number name of 56, F-I-F-T-Y, S-I-X. The statement is correct or wrong? Yes, it is true. There is a box. In that box, put 3. First one, true. T for true. Next, the second one. 50 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 50. 50 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 15. Is it true or false? See, 50 plus 0, 15. 15 plus 1, is it 15? No, the answer is 16. That means it is false. See, 15 plus 0, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 15 is wrong. Third one. When 0 is added to a number, 0 is added to a number, the answer is 1 more than the given number. If we add 0 to a number, we get the answer after number of the given number. Is it correct or wrong? Once again, when 0 is added to a number, can I give you example? Can I show with example? See, when 0 is added to a number, when 0 is added to a number, the answer is 1 more than the given number. Then what is the answer for this concept? 0 plus 9? 9. But answer cannot be 1 more than the given number. That means the given statement is false. Put in the third box, F. That is wrong. Once again, the number name for the sum of 20 and 36 is 56. That is true. Second one, 15 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 15. That is wrong. 15 plus 0, 15. Plus 1, 15 plus 1, 16. Third one, when 0 is added to a number, the answer is 1 more than the given number. False. True, false, false. Okay? Now go to F Roman. Answer the following. Roman F. Answer the following. First one. What is the sum of? Sum means total. That means we find out the total. The smallest two-digit number and greatest two-digit number. Smallest two-digit number and greatest two-digit number. First find out the smallest two-digit number. What is the smallest two-digit number? Come on. Here no place, Nana. Here no place to write the answer. Okay. You write these two answers in your homework book. Put heading chapter revision. Page number 37. Roman F. Okay. Write the question. What is the sum of? Sum of means find the total. How do you get total? Yes, the smallest two-digit number and greatest two-digit number. Greatest two-digit number. Greatest two-digit number. This is the question given in the textbook. You write this question in your homework book. Write like this: chapter revision, addition of two-digit numbers, chapter revision, page number 37, and copy down the question F Roman. Now answer. Leave a line. The sum means total. Two two-digit number. The smallest two-digit number. What is the smallest two-digit number? Smallest two-digit number. Tell me. Smallest two-digit number. Yes, 10. Next, greatest two-digit number. What is the greatest two-digit number? Greatest two-digit number. Tell me what is the greatest two-digit number, Hannah? Yes, very good. 99. Then the sum of. The sum of means total. Sum of. There is sum. What is the sum of the smallest? Sum means total. That means put the plus. 10 plus 99. Very good. 0 plus 9, 9. 1 plus 9, 10. The sum equal 109. What is the sum of the smallest two-digit number? Smallest two-digit number is 10. Greatest two-digit number 99. Sum means total. 10 plus 99. 109. 109. Okay? You also note down question and answer in your homework book. Now go to second question. Second one. In our textbook, last question. Come on children. Second question. Karuna scored 30 marks. Sheena scored 35 marks. And Tina scored 29 marks in a mathematics test. What is the total marks scored by all? All and total are words, addition, words. Here in the mathematics test, the three children are participated. Karuna 30 marks, Sheena 35 marks, Tina 29 marks. Here we find the total. Leave a line and write the answer. You write this question also in your homework book. Can I write answer? Come on. Marks are number of marks scored by SCORD. By who is the first person? Karuna. How many marks? 30. Next, marks scored by Sheena. How many marks Sheena get? 35. Next, Tina. Marks scored by Tina. Karuna, Sheena, Tina. How many marks Tina get? 29. 2 digit 3 lines. First one goes to Karuna's marks, Sheena's, Tina's. Now total marks scored by them. Scored by them. Them means 3 children. Karuna, Sheena, Tina. We get the total by addition. Put the symbol plus. Come on. Add. No need here. First ones, next tens. Okay. Adding ones 5 plus 9. Yes, 14. 2 digit number. Ones number right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Carrying addition. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. Total marks scored by them 94. Understood the code problem? Question, answer, you write in your homework book. And practice whatever I given addition models, you write in your homework book. Okay children? And learn tables. This is chapter revision ending. In the next class we are going to chapter 3. Okay? Thank you. Bye. Take care.